Welcome back, adventurers! Hidden paths are essential if you want to add secrets, bonus scenes, or special routes to your visual novel. Today, let's create a secret chapter in Ren'Py. First, let's open script.rpy and create the memory for our hidden path. This variable remembers if the secret chapter is unlocked. False means locked, so at the beginning, the secret chapter is not available yet. Now the story begins with label start. This is where Ren'Py starts reading the game. Then, scene black keeps the screen simple and chapter 1 shows the first part of the story. Menus are useful because they let the player choose a path. Here, one choice unlocks the secret chapter, while the other keeps the story normal. Following the strange light changes the variable to true. True unlocks the secret chapter. Staying on the main path changes nothing, so the variable stays false. After the menu, Ren'Py checks the variable. If it is true, the secret chapter 1.5 appears. If it is false, Ren'Py skips it and continues to chapter 2. This is the secret chapter. It is a normal label, unlocked only by the condition. Perfect for bonus scenes, secret lore, or special routes. Chapter 2 is where the story continues. Both routes meet here, whether the secret chapter appeared or not.
Bruh.
Time to test the project! Let's save script.rpy, launch the game, and see if everything works with both choices. Everything is working! Now you know how to unlock a secret path in your visual novel with variables, conditions, menus, and jumps. If you need help, feel free to leave a comment anytime. You can support me for free by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Love you, and have a meow blessed day or night.